we have given 5 decimal numbers. First, we have to find average. How we do this? To find the average, we have to find the sum of these 5 decimal numbers, and next we have to divide by 5. Why by 5? Because we have 5 given numbers. And what else? When we have to add decimal numbers, we have to align decimal points. So let me do this. We have 0, decimal point 6, 2, 1, 0, decimal point 7, 8, 3, 0, decimal point 3, 0, 2, 0, decimal point 2, 3, and 0, decimal point 6, 2, 1. First we add these 5 decimal numbers. The empty space we can always fill by 0. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So we have 5 and 1 we have to add to next column. So it will be 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 6 is 25. So we have 5. And 2 we add to next column, so it will be 2. And decimal point we have to copy exactly in the same column. We find the sum, so now 2.557 we have to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have 5 numbers. We will do long division. Divisor is whole number, so we have to only set long division. 5, and we have 2 decimal point 557. So how many times 5 goes to 2? 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take down next digit. So we have 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtraction will be 0, we don't have to write, and we take next digits down. So we have 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtraction again will be 0, so we don't have to write, we take down next digit. 7. 7 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtraction again. 7 minus 5 is 2. Remainder is different than 0. So what we will do? We will add extra 0 to our dividend. So now we have to take the 0 down. So we have 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we got 0. Our remainder is 0. So we finish long division. And we have our average of given numbers is 0, decimal point 5114. Whatever we got on the top is our solution. This is our average. Next, we have to find the median. How we do this? We have to write our given numbers first from smallest to the largest. How we do this? First, we have to check the whole number. We have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we go to next digit. Next digit is 6, 7, 3, 2, 6. So the smallest is 2. So this will be our first number. So let me close this. Next is 3. So this is the second number. Next, we have 6 and 7. We have two the same numbers. And what else? We have 7. So the third is 0.61. 6 to 1. This is third. And the last is 0.783. So we can write our numbers from the smallest to the greatest. First is 0, decimal point 2, 3. Next is 0, decimal point 3, 0, 2. Third is 0, decimal point 6, 2, 1. Next will be 0.621. We copy 2 times because we have 2 numbers, the same numbers. And the last is 0.783. So we list these numbers from the smallest to the greatest. What next? We have to count how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. 5 is odd. When we have odd numbers in the set, it means the median is the middle number. The middle number is 0.621. So the median will be 0.621. So this is the median. And what next? We need to find the mod. What is the mod? We have to find the number or numbers that occur most often. So let's see what number repeats. 0.621 repeats 2 times. So the number that occur most often is our mod. So our mod will be 0.621. This is our mod. This is my solution.